Hello, welcome at Near's Kitchen. And for today's video, we're gonna cook a cheese and spicy chicken noodles. Okay, chicken adobo noodles, I mean. Of course, our main ingredients we have onion, garlic, and uh, ginger. And then I have the marinated chicken, and of course our noodles which I make a few days ago. Nilagay ko lang siya sa freezer. And then I have the cabbage, and of course our chili for the spicy, and our secret ingredients which is the vinegar. Now let's do the cooking. Saute muna natin yung ginger. And then add natin yung garlic. And of course the onion. Then add natin yung marinated chicken natin, guys. Then lagyan natin ng chili. Yung spiciness niya is depends na lang sa inyong spicy preferences. Okay? Pero ako, kasi gusto ko ng a little bit more spicy, so magdadagdag ako ng chili. Then mag-a-add ako ng little bit of water. At tatakpan lang po natin siya hintay natin hanggang sa lumambot yung chicken. Okay. Okay, then we're gonna add our main secret ingredients, which is the vinegar, to complete our adobo. And then a little bit of sugar to make it sweet and sour taste. Ayan guys, malambot na po yung ating chicken. So, i-add na natin yung ating noodles. Then, haluin lang natin siya. Tsaka yung ating cabbage. Sabay na natin guys. Tsaka, haluin. Okay guys, now our chicken noodles, sweet and spicy adobo is now ready to serve. Now, let's go to the most exciting, which is